1. Butter popcorn. Classic popcorn coated with melted butter, giving a rich, salty flavor. It provides quick energy from carbohydrates and is a light snack for movie time. 2. Caramel popcorn. Popcorn covered in sweet caramel glaze. It helps satisfy sugar cravings and provides quick energy, often used as a dessert snack. 3. Cheese popcorn. Popcorn coated with cheese powder for a savory taste. It adds calcium from cheese seasoning and is highly addictive as a snack option. 4. Kettle corn. A sweet and salty popcorn made with sugar and salt. It gives balanced flavor and is popular for light snacking with moderate energy boost. 5. White cheddar popcorn. Popcorn flavored with sharp white cheddar cheese. It provides a strong savory taste and is a good alternative to regular cheese snacks. 6. Movie theater popcorn. The iconic buttery and salty popcorn served in cinemas. It enhances the movie experience and provides quick satiety during long viewing. 7. Sea salt popcorn. Lightly salted popcorn with sea salt crystals. It is a low-calorie snack option that helps control cravings. 8. Cinnamon sugar popcorn. Sweet popcorn coated with cinnamon and sugar. It offers quick energy and a warm dessert-like flavor. 9. Chocolate popcorn. Popcorn drizzled with melted chocolate. It boosts mood and provides a sweet, energy-rich snack. 10. Caramel chocolate popcorn. A mix of caramel and chocolate coating. It is high in energy and ideal for dessert lovers. 11. Spicy chili popcorn. Popcorn seasoned with chili powder and spices. It can boost metabolism slightly and gives a bold, spicy flavor experience. 12. Garlic butter popcorn. Popcorn flavored with garlic and butter. It supports appetite stimulation and delivers a rich, savory taste. 13. Truffle popcorn. Gourmet popcorn infused with truffle oil. It offers a luxurious aroma and is often used in premium snack menus. 14. Barbecue popcorn. Popcorn coated with barbecue seasoning. It provides a smoky flavor and is a popular savory snack for parties. 15. Ranch popcorn. Popcorn seasoned with ranch dressing spices. It gives a creamy herb flavor and is highly popular in Western snack culture. 16. Sour cream and onion popcorn. Tangy and creamy flavored popcorn. It helps satisfy salty snack cravings with a smooth taste. 17. Honey butter popcorn. Popcorn coated with honey and butter. It provides natural sweetness and quick energy. 18. Maple caramel popcorn. Caramel popcorn blended with maple syrup flavor. It gives a rich sweetness and is often used in gourmet snacks. 19. Jalapeno popcorn. Spicy popcorn flavored with jalapeno peppers. It adds heat and can stimulate appetite and metabolism. 20. Seaweed popcorn. Popcorn seasoned with dried seaweed flakes. It offers umami flavor and contains trace minerals from seaweed.